I would like to express my sincere thanks for having permitted me to speak on the railway budget. In my humble opinion, today, when the discussion started, the house is so thin. When I came to Parliament in 1991 on the railway budget, one and a half days, one full day, and early morning next day, the discussion used to go. Everybody wants to speak on the railway budget. Today, if I see the number of my colleagues in the house is very thin. Why? That means the railway development all over the country is more than satisfactory, and the members are really happy about the progress that has been made by these 10 years. I am not going to criticize anybody. My own eyes, whole night, to get an opportunity for 5 minutes to speak on the railway budget, early morning, to lunch, dinner is to be served during the period of railway debate. That was the situation. Now, the entire house, our senior colleagues, I have seen those days, I am seeing the present day. This is the position. Sir, it is not a question of praise anybody, because the situation was such during those periods, the financial condition to give necessary allotment was difficult. I must be very frank. I think Khargeji is sitting here to complete that Chikmagalur one small length. Your good self has to, Khargeji has to take the decision. It was sanctioned during my period when B.L. Shankar was a member of the Lok Sabha. That was the situation. One more instance, just for not to criticize her. Situation was like that. I will give one more example. Jafar Sharif was a railway minister. From Mysore to Hassan, it is a meter gauge. I first time came, it is my area, I made a request. In his reply, he says, it is not feasible, it is not worthwhile to take that railway line. And they removed actually, because he was there for 5 years, even the railway track, entire thing was removed. By mere accident, I became the Prime Minister. I called the officers. They gave me an advice. Sir, if the budget is below 50 crores, it is not necessary to go to the budget because our government, I think Chidambaram was here. Our budget proposal was 19th July. My government was got the clearance by vote of confidence on 11th June. I asked the officer to take up this work because the budget, particularly to that length, is hardly below 50 crores. The officer started the work. In 13 months, they completed. 18 trains are running today. Why I mentioned this? See, today the people prefer to travel more in train because when I was speaking in the early days, I mentioned, I'm the only one person who mentioned, increase even the railway fare. People will not curse the government. Whole house, oh, you are supporting the government. Not that. I gave an example. From Hassan to Mysore, the train charge is 30 rupees. By bus, it is 65 rupees. I gave the comparison. So I am not irresponsibly spoke even on that day. It is in the proceedings. Now today, sir, if I say a few words about the present government, they would have come here only to praise. There is nothing for me. I have not asked any favor from anybody. From last 10 years, no favor has been taken by this government, except some development works. Gadkari ji has sanctioned, even Kharge during his period, I told, sanctioned some works. Gadkari ji has given little more preference to Karnataka, but unfortunately, even that Mangalore, Hassan, that track, even today it is unable to complete. Several debate, tunnel, all these things, nothing has happened. Anyway, I will leave it at that stage. Sir, Madam, now I say a few words about the present government. The railways have done a great job in last 10 years, the work done in last 60 years can be compared with the work done in last 10 years. Fraction figures I am giving. This was only possible because the clear vision of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the sankalp to make India a developed nation. This is Viksit Bharat.
माननीय सदस्य प्लीज
Transfer.
कंक्लूड करें.
I know how many railway ministers in UPA period, in NDA period, what all happened. I can give instances after instances, not to criticize, but facts. But it hurt. That's please. I have not. Madam, please permit me. Now, the transportation of any country, whether in China, Russia, Canada, Australia, Europe, was possible because the clarity of vision of development infrastructure, railway, road, ports, airbase. This is the background. The present government, led by Narendra Modi ji, has given prominence, and he, the railway minister, he has appointed, is sitting by the side of me, who is an honest man, who is working very honestly with all sincerity, and that is why the progress, the achievement, what has been done in last 10 years, and during his period, what is the achievement, what exactly the accidents has come down, railway accident, with facts and figures I can quote. Now, I would like to just mention about Karnataka. Sir, I must be happy. Please. 2 minutes, madam.
मेरी किसी
Karnataka, which was being southern state, our some friends have referred, southern states have been neglected. It was neglected earlier. Now it is not like that. 800 crores has been spent only in Karnataka. Earlier, I was begging. Now this government, 7,800 crores was allocated for Karnataka. And various works have been taken, but not, madam is, I don't want to disobey. Please give me another 2-3 minutes. And I would like to tell you, a small piece of railway line was sanctioned by me in Kashmir. Now, to complete one railway overbridge, I must quote that. It is, I think, world famous railway overbridge. World famous. I must congratulate the government of the present government. That is, if I say that not to praise. Facts. Facts are facts. So, madam, another point is the budget is 68,600. The railway budget has been included in the general budget. At that time, we are all a little bit perturbed. I think railways are going to be neglected. Now it is not so. 68,600
माननीय सदस्य प्लीज
is the amount that has been provided in the current year budget. I can't
Please.
disagree. If 3-4 times your good self rang the bell, only 3 demands. 3 demands. One is from Bombay to Chennai, I mentioned, via Sringeri. Chikmagaluru up to railway line is there, from Bangalore to Chikmagaluru. From Chikmagaluru to Shumaga you must connect. Shumaga to Davangere and to Bombay, the line is there. If you connect that, Sringeri is one of the most important place where pilgrims all over the country, from Chennai, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, all over the country will come. Such an important place. Sir, I demand, I ordered when I was the railway Prime Minister for a survey. With all sincerity, I request your good self to see that the officers are all competent officers. They can certainly take steps. That is one thing. Ramnagar, which I was elected, first when I became the Chief Minister, that the one train stop, I am going to write the letter to your good self. Please consider, I don't want to disobey the chair. Sir,
Thank you,
I have
Degodaji.
to speak. A lot of things are there, but
Thank you,
I
Degodaji.
don't know
Thanks
whether
a lot for your cooperation.
want to curtail my little speech.
No, we have
I
never
have
cut it.
made-
15 minutes. No, so since
Thank
you are
you.
former Prime
Thank you
Minister,
very
and we
much,
all
sir.
respect you.
I want to speak a lot about the present government, about the progress that has been made in last 10 years under the leadership of Narendra Modi, with the very efficient railway minister, honest, sincere, committed, and I want to speak. But anyhow,
Thank
you have
you.
curtailed.
Now,
I don't want to blame. Disobey the chair. Thank you very much.